Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and we have this stunning MSRT in. Let's show you what we've done. Okay, on the back panel we've soundproofed it. We've added a set of Focal high quality speakers, and then under the seats we've added some boxed subwoofers. And let's show you the doors have had a 3-stage soundproof, so they're all solid now. If I bang the door here, pretty solid, and if the back ones are not done because there's nothing in there, and you can kind of hopefully tell what's going on there. Okay, the tweeters were a mission because the customer didn't want any adapters, and the slots here for the tweeters are very small, so the lads had to do a bit of fabrication underneath but keep a stealth factory look, which is what the customer wanted. And then finally, it's hard to tell, but there's some amps under the seat, so in the photos of this blog you'll see them. Okay, the whole system works through the original radio. All working beautifully. Something like this interests you? You know who we are. It's always raining, but we make it shine. Speak to you soon.